Good afternoon everybody. I'm just doing a quick YouTube, well not a quick video, but a quick unboxing of a Marantz sound system and Q acoustic speakers. We've got the Marantz CD player, the CD6005, and the Marantz integrated amplifier PM6005. We've also got the Q acoustics 3020 speakers in the graphite. Bought together yesterday for just under £500 from a hi-fi shop in Nottingham. And the speakers as well, they were extra, in silver and not the black. The cables I'll be connecting the CD player and the amp together with will be the Cambridge Audio 500 series 0.3 meters cable, model number A541. That's to connect the amp to the CD player. And the cables for the speaker connections will be the chord clearway 1 meter lengths with soldered plugs at each end. Okay, so we'll start with the amp and let's see how we go. That's the CD player. This is the amp. Got my son filming for me because I can't multitask. Only using a knife just on the edge just a little bit, just to get it in. In the box we've got one remote, one set of batteries, one user manual, one integrated amplifier, I think user manual CD-ROM, and a hard copy. And we've got one power lead. Pretty standard, I suppose you could say. Polystyrene as usual. Get everything nowadays. And one amplifier. Taped up nicely. Let's get this unwrapped. Here. I did the reviews online. This amp has got what I've review 2015 5-star, and since I've had the Marantz system before, the old type, I've gone for a new upgraded system. As you can see on the back, yep, that's the old system which I've done a video for and I'll be posting online hopefully soon. There's a plastic thing here, I'm not sure what that's for. I'll leave that in for now. I might have to move that out when I've done.
Also for the people that watch this and do